What you drink is just as important as what you eat. Beverages play a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Choosing healthy drinks can keep you hydrated, provide essential nutrients, and even help prevent certain diseases. On the other hand, unhealthy beverages can contribute to weight gain, tooth decay, and other health problems. Making conscious choices about what you drink is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier lifestyle. Think about what you drink throughout the day. Do you reach for sugary sodas? Or do you opt for water, milk, or unsweetened tea? Every sip you take impacts your body. Making healthier beverage choices can have a significant positive effect on your health in the long run. Remember, your body needs proper hydration to function correctly. Choosing healthy beverages is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, having more energy, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Make every sip count. Sugary drinks may seem tempting, but they are loaded with empty calories and offer little nutritional value. Regular consumption of sodas, energy drinks, and other sweetened beverages can lead to a range of health problems. These drinks contribute to weight gain, increasing the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. The high sugar content in these drinks also wreaks havoc on your dental health. Sugar feeds bacteria in your mouth, leading to tooth decay and cavities. Moreover, sugary drinks often replace healthier options like water or milk, depriving your body of essential nutrients. Cutting back on sugary drinks is one of the most effective ways to improve your diet and overall health. By making simple swaps and choosing healthier alternatives, you can significantly reduce your sugar intake and protect yourself from these adverse effects. When it comes to healthy beverages, water should be your go-to choice. It's naturally calorie-free, sugar-free, and essential for keeping your body hydrated and functioning correctly. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially during and after physical activity. If you're looking for more flavor, consider adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water. Unsweetened tea, both hot and cold, is another excellent option. Tea is rich in antioxidants and offers various health benefits. Choose herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, or ginger for a soothing and flavorful drink. Natural fruit juices, in moderation, can also be part of a healthy diet. Look for juices that are 100% fruit juice without added sugars. Remember that even natural fruit juices contain natural sugars, so it's best to consume them in moderation. Benefits beyond the bottle. Why healthy drinks matter. Choosing healthy beverages provides a wide range of benefits for your body and mind. Staying well hydrated with water is crucial for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, flushing out waste products, and maintaining proper organ function. Healthy drinks like water, unsweetened tea, and milk are naturally low in calories and sugar, making them excellent choices for managing weight. By choosing these beverages over sugary options, you can reduce your overall calorie intake and maintain a healthy weight. Moreover, healthy drinks can boost your energy levels and improve your mood. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Staying well hydrated with healthy beverages can help you feel more alert, focused, and energized throughout the day. Making the switch. Practical tips for choosing wisely. Transitioning to healthier beverage choices is easier than you might think. Start by making gradual changes and incorporating healthy drinks into your daily routine. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times and refill it throughout the day. When dining out, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or milk instead of sugary drinks. If you find yourself craving something sweet, try diluting fruit juice with water or sparkling water for a lower sugar alternative. Read beverage labels carefully and pay attention to the sugar content. Look for drinks with little to no added sugars. Remember that even drinks marketed as healthy or natural can contain hidden sugars, so always check the label. Raise a glass to healthy hydration. Choosing healthy beverages is a simple yet significant step towards a healthier and happier you. By understanding the impact of sugary drinks on your health and embracing healthier alternatives, you can make a positive change in your life. Water should be your primary source of hydration, while unsweetened tea, milk, and natural fruit juices in moderation can add variety to your diet. Making conscious choices about what you drink empowers you to take control of your health. By making these small changes today, you can reap the lasting benefits of healthy hydration for years to come. Remember, every sip counts.